Good evening and welcome to 200forexpips.com. I am here with the final analysis of 2nd of November 2018. Okay guys, first of all, Happy New Year, and we have started the new month with the new year. And guys, we are going to start our discussion right from USD Canadian dollar. Let me switch my chart towards the USD Canadian dollar report. Okay, so guys, I'm here on a USD Canadian dollar. So I have supplied the bullish signal today in case of a USD Canadian dollar. Right now you can see that the market is just leaning on the entry and it has gone nowhere. But if I take you towards the higher time frames, then one thing is very clear. Like if we just draw the trend line on USD Canadian dollar 4-hour chart, then one thing is very clear that the price has gone down a lot. It's going to be down from many days. And guys, now it's not wise to sell the pair anymore. We are just waiting for the bullish confirmations on the USD Canadian dollar. Okay, now have a look on the daily chart. If you look at here, we are into a complete downward trend, but in the last working day we have appeared a doji on the chart. So this could be a sign of trend reversal. I'm not talking that this is the confirmed trend reversal for a bullish trend, but overall my signal is bullish because I am looking the things to be bullish on the basis of daily and the 4-hour chart. And guys, if this candle closes in a bullish way, then we can expect a strong bullish trend on USD Canadian dollar. However, it has bent so much down from many days. So guys, you can note down the entry. If the USD Canadian dollar stays above 125,371, then it's completely in a bullish zone and the buying can be a useful option at this stage. Okay, now let's talk about New Zealand USD. Okay guys, very simple signal from my side. This is the second signal of my signals report. I have simply supplied the bearish trend in case of New Zealand USD. The entry was 071280, and guys, you can see that right from the entry the market has followed the downward pattern. So why it has followed the downward pattern? Because if you look at here, New Zealand USD was going up from many days, and that was not a wise decision to buy the pair at a higher price. You know that in the previous week we have some days where the pairs have not taken the U-turn and there was no need to trade the pair. But guys, you need to strictly follow the strategy that I have explained in my YouTube videos, not to buy any pair at a high price. I'm just giving another clue here. Look at here. If we draw a trend line on the 4-hour chart on New Zealand USD, you can see that this is a strong upward trend. It looks like that this is going to be a doji, and still we have a rejection in the form of bearish candle at the top. And guys, this could lead towards the downward pattern on New Zealand USD, and that is why I have supplied the bearish signal in the morning. And hopefully those subscribers who have taken the trade as per the signals report, they should be in good profits on New Zealand USD. It's still under a bearish pressure. Okay, AUDUSD, the same concept applies on just a second please. The same concept applies on New Zealand AUDUSD, that not to buy any pair at a higher price. Simply I have supplied the bearish signal at 078402, and guys, you can see the market first of all strikes the entry and then it started to go bearish like this. Let me switch my chart to the 4-hour. Now you will see we have a strong upward trend on AUD USD dollar, and guys, this is not wise to buy any pair when the price is already high. And you can see that we are getting some bearish confirmations on the chart, so it can lead towards the downward activity. So buying at these levels is not a wise decision. It can go up for a couple of days, but this is not going to last because I have explained in my videos that the market moves like sea waves. If it goes into the bullish wave, then it also completes a downward wave. This is the natural flow of the market. Okay, and now let's talk about Great Britain Pound JPY. The same concept was applied here. I have supplied the bearish signal in case of Great Britain Pound JPY because it was going up from many days. Entry was 152,359, and guys, you can clearly see that if you have traded this gap, then you should be in very good profits. It has taken a U-turn and then the market has went down. Right now you can see that Great Britain Pound JPY is again making a bullish pressure at the moment, but still guys, the concept remains same. The price has already reached to the very mature levels, so we do not show any interest in buying the pair. Even if I switch my chart to the daily, then you will find that we are somewhere near to the resistance, and that's not a good and a wise idea to buy the pair. So the bullish candles can be a deception, so be careful with Great Britain Pound JPY. We can expect a drop in the further days, or maybe this could happen in a couple of days. Okay, now let's talk about USDJPY. here, okay, I was having a discussion with a trader in the morning, and I was just dealing with this thing that why I am bearish on USDJPY. And guys, there was a reason, because if we look towards the higher time frames, now you will find on the daily chart we have already received a sell signal from the scalper, and if we draw the trend line from here to here, then you will find that USDJPY was in a complete upward trend from some days. So it was not wise to buy the pair at these levels, because the daily chart is giving you a very good signal that we are going up, we are going down, because we are getting the rejection in the last two candles. So that is why, guys, I have supplied the bearish entry in the form of a bearish entry on USDJPY. 11279 was the entry, and guys, just below that level you can see a very good sound downward trend, and even it has break the barrier of 112265. So overall, guys, who have taken a trade on USDJPY, they should be in very good profits. Okay, USDJPY, your USD is closed at my end. So guys, I'm just going to highlight this signal here. Those traders who are thinking the pair to be bullish, they need to be very active, because maybe this could be a deception. I have given a sell signal today, bearish signal is supplied, the level is already drawn on my chart, 120298. So guys, right now you can see that we have a complete upward trend on Euro USD. Then we have received a doji at the top, then bands are narrow to each other. Sorry, the bands are now narrow to each other, which is giving us a message that we can have a downfall on Euro USD. So be careful with this. Even on the 4-hour chart, you can find the things to be very much up. So again, the strategy applies that I talk about this on a daily basis, not to buy any pair when the price is already up. So like it happened with today with New Zealand USD and AUDUSD, it was already up, and the same scenario can be seen on Euro USD. So guys, those traders who want to buy this pair, they need to be very careful, because this is not a buying zone as per my idea. I have supplied the bearish signal, and you need to be very confident with this. You need to practice with the same approach, not to buy any pair at a high price, not to sell any pair when the price is already to the lower levels. This is all about the today's analysis. Moreover, those traders who are just new to the trading channel, let me explain how to use the trading system. Trading systems helps up to 65%. You need to sell the pair with confirmations in the top red boundary, which is the overbought levels, like the market is going down after touching the red boundary. This is a downward momentum, and you need to buy the pair when it comes into the lower red boundary. This is the oversold level, but still I'm not saying you to blindly buy any pair when it comes into the lower red boundary. Definitely this is the oversold level, but still you need some confirmations. But the confirmation is called, you need to wait for at least a couple of bullish candles, and similarly the same case applies in the case of selling the pair. So guys, this is all about the trading system, and I have also highlighted you about the today's analysis. So guys, if you're looking to subscribe to my daily Forex signal service, if you want to get the powerful trading system so that it can help you with your trading, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, for all this you need to email me on info@200forexpips.com. Please like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share the analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.